This is the new Magnetron tube amplifier by D-Lab Electronics. A repurposed amp in a Marshall Park amplifier cabinet. Here's the rear of the amplifier. I maintained the old original artwork. You can see it's Park, designed by Marshall Amplifiers. Still has a stock speaker. Outputs for 4 or 8 ohms with a Hammond 125H. Tube lineup, pair of 6AQ5s, 6AV6 inverter, and a 12AX7 preamp. Let's take a look inside. The chassis slides right out for easy maintenance. Front panel is 40 thousandths aluminum. It's been painted light gray with added artwork from my vinyl cutter. Here's your tube lineup. You can see those vintage 6AQ5s made by CEI Electron. Output transformer is a Hammond 125H. And we have the D-Lab custom power transformer. Well, here's the bottom side of the amp. You can see it's a very clean, uncluttered build. The heart of the system is the D-Lab ECB Class AB driver board. This is my power supply module. I utilized Cinch sockets for the inverter and the output tubes, and a Micalex socket for the 12AX7. Got 2 clip jacks back here for the speaker outputs. I added a fuse holder and maintained the IEC AC input. Input jack is a Switchcraft. Got alpha pots, a Carling power switch, and a vintage GE47 illuminating the glass jewel. This is a one-of-a-kind build. If you're interested in the Magnetron amplifier, contact D-Lab Electronics, or you can look me up on my Patreon page. One thing to note, this build still utilizes the original 8-inch speaker that Marshall spec'd out for the Park G10R amplifier. It still sounds good. Yeah. That's those little 6AQ5s, So it's not a pair of Celestians, but it's usable.
Sounds pretty good for what it is. Yeah.